Hey guys, it's Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are in Clearwater, Florida again for another job site that we will be doing today. As you can see, we have a screen enclosure here. Has quite a bit of buildup on the cage. We have a lot of pollen on the screens. And of course, we have the mildew and so forth all over the floor. So we are here today to get that cleaned up for them. Another look at everything. Put the camera up higher so you can see better. And as we look that direction there, you can see a lot of the pollen on the screens. Don't know how much of that will come through the camera. But regardless, we have the van all set up and ready to go. Stay tuned. All right, we are finished with this location. I'm going to give you a quick look at how everything turned out, and then we got to get out and head to our next stop. But there you have it. You can see the cage is now bright white again. We have no more of the algae up on the framework. And you can also see that the screens are free of all the pollen. Of course, we rinsed down all of the slider glass doors and the patio furniture back here. And then we gave this little raised flower bed some extra water at the end as well. If you have a project like this and you live in the North Pinellas area, I would love to earn your business. My number is 727-200-2352.